All right, so this is part two of how to get your YouTube account um, up and running and making money off YouTube if you are going to monetize your YouTube videos. This is obviously my own YouTube account. I just started it, and this is the YouTube account I will be uploading it into. So that's kind of a meta inception kind of thing right there. So here it says you should link if you watch a part one video where I verify my account and prepare it to be monetized. So right now, what our next step is to link my AdSense account to earn money and get paid for your monetized videos. Now I can click this button right here and it'll send me the way there, but I'll show you how to do it from if you clicked the wrong button there and didn't get to this area right here, the natural way. So I'm gonna go back to YouTube and go back to my YouTube channel, the one that I just created, and click the upper right button, same as before. Click the gear icon that says YouTube settings and go to view additional features, just like before. As you can see, we are now, we are in good standing. We have copyright. We are partner verified. That's a keyword, partner verified. As long as you're verified, you are quote unquote partner verified. I think you have to enable monetization as well. And then you have this monetization feature right here. Even though you are at the green, you have not linked your YouTube account to the way you will earn money. Now, the standard way to earn money is through this way. This is the most basic way to earn money. The other way is through multi-channel networks called MCN. So those are machinima, full screen, stuff like that. But this is the most basic way. So, and if you only have 0 or 5 subscribers, this is the only way you'll get partnered. You won't get partnered by any multi-channel network. So this is the low end way, the simplest way, the mom and pop store way of getting money from your YouTube channel. And this is where anybody will start today. This is the easiest way, basically, and there's no application process anymore. You just need to have an AdSense account. That's the application process you need. Anyway, I'm rambling now. So you can use ads to monetize your videos. You click the view monetization settings because we haven't added our AdSense account yet. So you can read this stuff if you want to. This is pretty, very informative, and you learn. Of course, I do have to mention, don't use copyrighted content and stuff like that. But, we're going to go cut the fat off of that kind of, warning stuff, and I'll tell you exactly what you need to do this stuff. So click on the how will I be paid question here. And as you can see, you must associate an AdSense account to your YouTube account in order to be paid. That's the easy way to, you can't really find this button anywhere else except the question here, how will I be paid? Of course, you did see me click the original button on the top of the page earlier, but if you can't find it, just go to your monetization settings and you click this little this URL right here. So click that, and it's gonna teach you how to link your AdSense account. So we're directed to AdSense. To link your existing AdSense account or create a new one if you do not have one yet. Once you have completed this process, you will be redirected back to YouTube. So I'm going to click next, and it's going to go back to the page we saw earlier, which we were sent to. So it will tell you what YouTube, Gmail account, Google account you're using right now, and if you have that Google account associated with the AdSense account that you will be using, then you will have no problems. Just click yes. If not, you're going to have to create or use another account. And that's another convoluted process where you will log out of your Google account, log in with the other Google account, with the AdSense account that you will be using. I've done this before. I have another Google account that I've used another Google account's AdSense for. So basically, I have my main Google account right now, this one I'm using, has AdSense. The other Google account that I'm using has YouTube channels but do not have AdSense. So basically, those YouTube channels that I have over there, I use the AdSense from the main account. But that's a convoluted process. You'll figure it out once you get there. What we're doing right now is just having your main Google account have a YouTube channel. Because the reason why I have two Google accounts with YouTube channels is because there was a time long ago in the YouTube, lifetime where you only had one YouTube account per one Google account. These days, you can make as many YouTube accounts per one Google account, and there was a time when I had to make another Google account to make another YouTube account. Long story. The simplest way is just make a YouTube account on the AdSense account that you want to monetize from. So as you can see, I'm currently signed to my email. And then I'm gonna say yes because that's the AdSense account I want to be using. So I'm gonna click yes, and it'll process a little bit. It'll take a little bit of time, get that Google rolling. It's gonna ask, okay, here's my website. It's gonna basically AdSense doesn't know that they're gonna monetize YouTube. It only knows that you're gonna monetize a website. So this just tells you this channel, which this code is for my newly created channel is. If you want, you can check it. If I highlight this and I open it, it should open this Learn to YouTube channel that I've recently created. As you can see, I can close that right now and go back here. So just content language is in English, and I'm gonna say accept association. And then it's going to redirect me back to YouTube. Now, that basically is the easiest way and the simplest way to get your AdSense connected to your YouTube account. So now if I review my AdSense association, it's going to show me the AdSense ID that I'm using right now to make money from this YouTube channel. Obviously, I don't have any videos, so I'm not making money yet. But this is the AdSense ID that I'm using, and this is the one that YouTube will send money to whenever they get ads from they get money from my ads. That's pretty much easy. And if you want to change it, for example, if you want to move to another AdSense account, you can do that and click here. I'm not going to explain how you get money off AdSense. That's another video entirely. This is a way too long video already. But basically, that's the second step you need to do, or maybe the third step if you consider making your YouTube account the first step. But that's the second step into creating a channel that makes money off YouTube. That's the number two thing, getting your channel monetized and locked in and connected to your AdSense account. I don't know the process anymore on how to get an AdSense account. Back when I started, it was a long, convoluted process to have your AdSense account, what do you call this, approved, basically. It was have to wait months for your application to be considered, and have to wait months before. If you got rejected, you had to wait 6 months. I got rejected once. All right, but anyway, getting your AdSense account or approved AdSense account is another story on its own. Assuming you have an AdSense account, this entire tutorial that you were watching, this 8-minute tutorial, is exactly how you would match your currently existing AdSense account with a new YouTube account to start making them YouTube money. So hopefully that helps you out. Alex from Learn to YouTube here. Give us a like, give us some subscriberino or something, whatever. And if you have any more questions about, getting started on YouTube, getting that money on YouTube, how do you record gameplay or something like that, I will try to answer as much as possible. I'm not the biggest expert on the YouTube scene, but I do have some experience. I do have a little bit of technical know-how in this process, and I know how to put it in words, I guess. So let me know what you need to know about how to get started on YouTube. Alex from Learn to YouTube here. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys next time.